Wow, here is the reason why I love going to the village. I caught this alligator at the back of my house so easily. And the most funniest part is that it's not easy to be found. And if you find one, you have to get it with a lot of money. So I was just sitting, having a phone call with my wife. Fortunately, I saw him coming. Then I tried my possible best to hold it. So I'm so glad for that. So this is direct bush feed. This is direct bush meat from my village, Kogi State, Nigeria. Yeah, that's nice. Meat is about to get ready. Yeah. I love when I make shit happen. I trust myself. Yeah. Well, that red. I'm so glad about that.